Rain has moved out. Now clouds thinning out across much of the area. Thicker clouds down into North Georgia right now, and even the ones in Kentucky kind of falling apart. Partly cloudy sky outside. We're 70 degrees now in Knoxville, but it's already cooled to 62 in Crossville, 63 in Pikeville, and 63 degrees in the Barberville area. Showed you this view from downtown Crossville atop City Hall. We're looking south down Main Street, and if you look carefully at some of the lights, it looks like there's just a little bit of fog trying to develop there now, and it makes sense. We're seeing that here on our map from right over the Crossville area, stretching through Morgan County and Wartburg and northwestern Anderson, up into portions of Claiborne County as well, and in some of the higher elevations of the Smokies. And I do think we'll see some fog continue to develop tonight, especially if you picked up one of the downpours across our area. Thicker fog maybe across the Plateau, Kentucky areas, and back into Middle Tennessee. We'll start out near 60, Knoxville southward, mid to upper 50s from the Plateau all the way through Kentucky and into Northeast Tennessee. So cooler than average out there, and very pleasant start. Tomorrow afternoon, similar temperatures to what we saw for today, most in the upper 70s to right around 80 degrees, and once again, there'll be some random rain showers around the region. Mainly dry start with some cloud cover, but I wouldn't be surprised if we had a few showers develop in the morning through midday even, but slightly better chance in the afternoon. But notice they are very random. That's lunchtime. This is 4 o'clock. You see some showers, especially for the Plateau and Kentucky areas. That's where our heavier rain threats most likely end up being. And I still think some shower chances will actually linger tomorrow night into Wednesday across the region. Low end threat for those areas back to the west and north of Knoxville for some isolated flooding tomorrow, but few and far between. It'll be kind of like today, slow moving storms that could produce some locally heavy rainfall. Rain chances actually going up Wednesday and most likely Thursday as a cold front pushes through the area. And 6 Predictor kind of shows that as well. This is 7 o'clock Thursday morning, but rain chances really go up through late afternoon, evening as this cold front starts to swing through the area. That's 3 o'clock. And then by the time we get to 11 o'clock, we're already seeing a break in some of that wet weather. But this isn't a big push of some drier air coming in behind this system. It dips a little bit for Friday, but we have to wait for a second cold front to come through on Saturday through the area that really drops conditions down into the dry to comfortable range as we wrap up the weekend and head into early next week. For now, it looks like this second front Saturday, limited moisture with it. I'm keeping it dry for now, but we'll have to watch it, of course, with the UT home game coming up that afternoon. But I do think the later in the evening we go, the drier it will be behind that front. Just the big question will be, do we see a stray shower early in the day Saturday? For now, keeping it dry, a little cooler, mid to upper 50s for lows Sunday into Monday, and daytime highs in the upper 70s to low 80s. So once again, no above average temperatures for the next 7 days.
It does feel good though outside.